Google has announced this Project IDX. This Project IDX is an AI enabled browser based that includes generative AI features based on PaLM 2 model from Google. This project is going to facilitate code generation, code completion, translating between different languages, and also the code explanation. So, this is sort of yet another generative AI coding assistant from Google, but with a new technology, improved performance, and maybe it also will incorporate the upcoming Gemini features. If you go to Project IDX website, it is still under preview and you need to join the wait list in order to use it. Let me try to join the wait list in front of you by clicking on this purple button, and then it says it is asking me my name and stuff. So I'm in Australia, so let me select that. So this is Australia, and I'm going to give my email address. Let's accept it and then click on join. And as you can see, it is registering me. Okay, so I'm on the wait list now. So while I wait for the updates, let me share you one more thing. So if you go to this Project IDX website, you will see they have shared a preview video as how it will work. So for instance, if you see this demo video on their website, it is telling us that it will this IDX will get integrated very seamlessly into the into this dev workflow in no time, and it will be backed by security and scalability of Google Cloud. And then we can just go from opening our browser to developing an application in a matter of seconds on any machine, on any device. This is the promise. So, which really looks like the feature from the Gemini. If you scroll down, it shows that there are a lot of frameworks and languages it will work with. And as I said, you can translate between the languages. You maybe also be able to do the mixed language programming with it. And then we can optimize our apps as with any platform, whether it's a desktop, your Android, or even iOS simulator, which is amazing. And then you can also code faster with this Gen AI. Um, it is also powered by Kodi, and I have another video on Kodi on the channel, so please search with Kodi and you will find it out, which is basically a foundational AI model trained on code and built on PaLM 2. So very exciting product, and I'm really looking forward to try it out on my system. And as soon as I get the access, I will make another video and will share it with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to this website in video's description. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you.